we're going to clean all of my eyeshadow palettes. This is my palette drawer, and it looks like a disaster, I know. So I have some baby wipes. I always use baby wipes, and I clean the palette with the wipe. So we're going to clean them one by one, take them out, and then I'm going to organize them so it looks nice. I've used this like twice and it's so beautiful. It's the Tati Beauty Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. I love this one. I don't know why I never used it. So I'm probably going to place some of them on top of the, what the f do you call it? Drawer? No. I'm going to place them somewhere where I can see them, so I actually can use them. And some of the palettes are face palettes, like this one. It's the She Glam 3D Pro Face Palette. Have I ever used this? Maybe once. So I have a lot of stuff, and I thought it was time to actually organize, because yeah, I don't see what I have when I just threw it in a drawer, you know. I have these periods where I don't have the energy to do my makeup, so yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm not doing enough makeup tutorials, but right now it's so hot that I don't want to do my makeup. I don't have the energy, so I rather clean or organize, or other kind of videos like unboxing videos. But I haven't bought a lot lately, so I can't do that either. If you have like ideas for me, please comment. Well, it would be appreciated, okay? This was my favorite some time ago. Love these neutrals. Oh, this one. This was a very, well, it was a disappointment, okay? The Physicians Formula Rose All Play Eyeshadow Palette. I hated this one. The pigment, well, it didn't exist, if I say like that. Yeah, I didn't like this one at all. Disappointment. Oh, eyeshadow brush. Okay. I love the packaging of the Huda Beauty palettes. They're so beautiful. And this one I actually like, you know, how they perform as well. I really hate most Huda Beauty eyeshadows, but not this one. I actually like it a lot. It was my favorite for a while. This one actually needs a shout out. The Beauty Bay palettes, they're so pigmented and they're just amazing and so affordable. If you want to play with new shades and you want to test something new, buy one of these Beauty Bay palettes. They're amazing. Seriously. So pigmented. I love it. So I guess I have small eyeshadow palettes in here. I have no idea. Some sleek palettes. Don't really care for them. This one, disappointment. Seriously, I was so disappointed. These ones as well. Hate them. Seriously. I've put so much stuff in this drawer, so the drawer broke. I really need some new storage for my makeup, but for now we're just gonna put it back. Okay. So we want all of the small ones in this drawer, just like we had before. That. What is... Oh, the Ofra eyeshadow palette, I think. Yeah. Disappointment as well. Did I like it? Oh, Natasha Denona, my favorite palette. Where is the other one? I only have two. The Metropolis and the Gold palette from Natasha Denona. These are so expensive. It's silly. But I love them. So, totally worth it. So Jaded palette. It's a collab between Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. This was actually a disappointment as well. I thought it was difficult to work with, and they were muddy and didn't really have a lot of pigment. They were difficult to blend. Yeah, just disappointment, and it's so sad because they were so pretty. I mean, I love the shades and everything, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should give it another try soon. I think I'm going to place it where I can see it. This one is my little... Yeah. I've placed some singles in here and they look like destroyed, all smashed. And yeah, I don't know. But I hate having singles laying around because you never use them. But I never used that one either, so I don't know. Oh, I think this is the Ofra highlighter palette. This is a gorgeous, one of my favorites. Ofra does amazing highlighters, okay? Amazing. And we have all of my BH Cosmetics palettes. I actually started out doing makeup with these, and they're actually really pigmented and easy to work with. Maybe not top quality, but as beginners palettes, they're seriously amazing. So I have 4 of them. You can see here the jar. I don't know what to do with it, okay? It's a disaster. I don't know how to place everything. Too much stuff. This is a palette from Iconic London. Actually beautiful and better quality than expected, but somehow, or I don't know why, I never reach for it. I just think I have better palettes with the same shades, so I don't know, I just never use it, okay? I don't know why. Same with my Morphe palette. It's the only Morphe palette I have, I think. We don't really have a Morphe store here, so we just have to order them online. So I wanted to try, their eyeshadows a long time ago. And I wasn't really overexcited about it, so I never bought any other palette. I don't know. Morphe isn't my favorite when it comes to eyeshadows, but I love their brushes. They're really, really good. In here I think I have face palettes. It was the plan, at least. I have a lot of cheap, no brand palettes, just because I do a lot of full face videos and I like to try out new stuff. I find these on dollar stores and dollar trees, I think you call it, in other countries. The Vice Art Warm Edit palette. This is so good, actually. And expensive for such a small palette. This looks much better. I can see what I have. And over here I have 2 palettes I need to try very soon again, give them another chance. And I also need to clean this mess. I don't really know what to do about it. I cleaned some brushes and I want to place in, well, on the right place. And I'm cleaning more right now actually upstairs, so I can do my makeup again. It's so difficult without brushes. That looks a lot better. I don't know if you feel like this is something fun to watch. I know I feel like it's satisfying watching, even though they don't talk, you know. It's just so satisfying seeing people clean. And also I feel like it's fun showing you what I have. It's my little collection, and yeah, I always buy new stuff. I mean, I have a lot. I just don't have a good system to, you know, organize everything yet. So yeah, well, that's everything for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, turn the notifications on, and I see you in the next video. Bye.